Hey everybody, this is Jeff Mauro about to show you how to make vegetable tempura the easy way. Okay, super simple. Starting with which vegetables are we gonna use? I love a good sweet potato tempura. You can use your yam. I just love the super orangey flesh of either tuber is a-okay. And then we're gonna use some of these. We're on sale at the local market, some shiitake mushrooms. Then we have our beautiful batter. Of course, you gotta have your oil on standby here. I got my candy thermometer ready to go in my Dutch oven. All right, and our goal for this is 350 degrees. We're gonna start with our sweet potato. And I love to lop off the ends because we don't need them right now. So we have a nice clear path for our peeler. And I like to take my bowl right over it rather than dirtying up my board and making long strokes just like that. Some of these vertical cuts that are gonna cook in time as it fries. So we don't want them too thick, about 1/4 of an inch. Keeping it nice and even till you have this beautiful section. The next vegetable, shiitake mushrooms. Big money item. I like to take the stems off these. They are a little rubbery for the fry. I think we're just gonna keep these nice and beautiful and whole. I'm not even gonna cut these any further. I want these big, beautiful discs. Let's make some tempura batter the easy way. Now let's start with a little 2-bowl methodology here. This is for my dredge, 1 bowl, perfect. So we measured out a cup of rice flour in there. Now this is gonna be our dredging flour. This is gonna be our batter base. 2 more ingredients. First, I'm gonna hit it with a couple generous pinches of salt. We want this flavorful, right? Next comes 1 egg yolk. Separate it using my hand because I truly believe there's no better way. It's going right in the batter. Now let's add the soda water. Half a cup, Joe. Just gonna take a little spoon just so I can gently mix it. But you want this almost pancake batterish, okay? This is the consistency we're looking for. So we're gonna take our mushrooms first and I'm gonna dredge them in this flour. And I actually like to use my fingers for this because, I don't know, it's just easier and it's less messy. You let the excess drip off, a couple revolutions until you got a nice, perfectly thin coating. Just gonna let that chill for a second. 3, 2, 7, right in there. Now I got my taters, we'll do these. All right, I'll let those chill out in there. Give it a little switcheroo. Let the excess dunk off. Let it kind of set in there so it doesn't sink and stick to the bottom. Sometimes you need to do a little flip-a-do to check. And again, tempura is not usually golden brown. It's more of a blushed golden, if you will. All right, let's peep at this guy here. Look at that. Look at that glistening. We got ourselves a sheet pan here lined with, of course, some paper towels. Let the excess drain out of the spider. While it's still glistening, hit it with a little bit of salt. Look at that. And they're still so juicy, but that shatteringly crisp crust is both crisp and light and yielding. It's unbelievable. Jeff Mauro here showing you how to make proper tempura just like that. Thank you guys.